Should we eat according to our doshas, or should we eat to create balance to our imbalanced doshas? A little tongue twister here. So there's so much confusion about the doshas and what to eat. Let's understand the concept. I am Simi Chopra, Ayurvedic practitioner based in New York. With the popularity of Ayurveda growing, there are a lot of online quizzes that have come up to find out what your body type is, what your dosha is. So they sometimes can give you confusing results. And most importantly, they cannot cover all aspects. So sometimes they are more harmful than beneficial. So from the quiz, the result could be oversimplification. You may consider only a single dosha as being your body type, which is very misleading, because in fact we have all the three doshas in us, but majority of us have two which are more predominant, which is why we are unique and different from each other, which is why our diet, lifestyle, our herbal protocol, they are so individualized. Secondly, the results could reflect Prakriti or Vikriti. Prakriti is the balanced state which we were born with. Majority of us are born with a balanced state. And Vikriti, which is the imbalanced state, which is the current imbalanced state. And the imbalances are caused by the inputs, the diet, the lifestyle, the supplements, the medicines, all that can create an imbalance in the doshas. So let's say you've nailed down your prominent doshas. So it could mean two things. One is it's either the balanced state, the Prakriti, or the imbalanced state. So if it's the first state, if it's the Prakriti, the balanced state, the approach is preventative. So in this case, one should eat foods and adopt lifestyle practices which are going to maintain the balanced dosha. Example, let's say you're a Kapha Pitta body type. So your diet should be Kapha Pitta pacifying foods. Now in the second scenario, if it's the current imbalanced state, so now here the approach is intervention. Here you're going to modify your diet and lifestyle so that you can pacify the aggravated doshas. So let's take an example. So let's say you're a Kapha Vata body type, but your Pitta has become imbalanced. So you're going to be eating food which are going to create balance in the Pitta, but keep in mind Kapha Vata cannot get imbalanced. So even that needs to be balanced. So there are a lot of layers to it. There's Agni, Ama, there's your digestive strength, level of toxins. So that's why it's always best to go to an Ayurvedic practitioner so that they can tailor a personalized diet plan based on your individual needs, individual imbalances. That's all for today. Till next time. Thank you.